So hello student, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A, subject GSC, and date is 8/5/2021. We are studying lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. We are reading this lesson. Last time we studied about the structure of structure of a tooth. If we do not care properly, our teeth may get spoiled. So we should properly take care of our teeth. So today we are going to study about the tooth decay. Tooth decay. Tooth decay. You have seen many people's having nice teeth. I think you have also nice teeth, but some persons who are chewing the tobaccos are not properly caring their teeth. The color of the teeth, we can see that the dull color or they decay, and many people have lost their teeth. So teeth are the foundation of our health. Teeth are the foundation of our health. So you know that we should take the food, and after taking mouth, we should properly chew the food. If our teeth are not healthy, we have pain in our teeth, swelling in our gums, cavities in our teeth, we cannot properly chew the food. So teeth are the foundation of our teeth. So we must look after them properly to save them from decaying. There is a space between every two teeth. There is a space between every two teeth. It is called the crevice. Suppose one teeth is here, another teeth is here, another tooth is here, and this is next tooth. It is not continuous, but crevices is there. The space between two teeth is called as the crevices. This is the crevices. Two crevices means gap in between two tooth is called as the crevice. So there is a space between every two teeth. It is called the crevice. When we eat food, some particles of food get stuck in the crevices. We have so many crevices, so many gaps in between the teeth. So it is possible to left some amount of the food in between these crevices. They make them dirty. If we do not clean them properly, germs start growing on them and cause problems like bad breath. This is the major problem. Bad breath, toothache, tooth decay, plaque. Plaque, it is a sticky deposits on the teeth, and bleeding gums. So we should take care of our teeth. So now after for the protection of our teeth from decaying, we should properly care of our teeth. So next, care of teeth. Next one is care of teeth. How we have to care of the teeth? Number one, brush your teeth after each meal and before going to bed. So brush your teeth after meal and before going to bed. 2 times we have to brush. One after each meal, and next one before going to bed. This is compulsory. Rinse your mouth well after eating, after taking water in mouth, and properly rinse out the mouth. Avoid having too many sweets, chocolates, and soft drinks. We should avoid to eat these things, eat and drink these things. Use a soft, small bristle brush with rounded end to avoid injuries. We should take the brush of the best quality from the market. Use toothpaste containing fluoride. When we are purchasing the toothpaste from market, we should see whether the toothpaste contains fluoride or not. If fluoride contain, that is best. So use toothpaste containing fluoride. Fluoride helps prevent tooth decay. Now next, clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner to prevent bad breath. Every day we have to also clean out the tongue with the tongue cleaners, so that prevents the bad breath. Now next, have regular dental checkups. Generally, we go to the hospital for the or the clinic of the dental clinic when we have some problems in our teeth. But we should regularly go to dental clinics for proper checking of our the teeth. So, thank you. That's for today.